Hey, what's going on guys? Everything Apple Pro here, and I've got the OnePlus 6 here. Super excited. Let's go ahead and take an early quick first look and let's see what's in store for us. So this was just in fact announced today, and this is OnePlus 6's venture into the all-screen world. So here it is. I really don't know what color I got in fact, but let's take a look at the cases first. So of course we've got that silicone red. It looks beautiful. Got this wood finish, this pattern, sort of like carbon fiber, not quite. Does look really nice. And just a regular matte gray here, and then the carbon fiber here. So super cool. I wish Apple offered more finishes like this. To have it OEM would be really cool. And now let's take a look at that phone. So here it is. I really do hope they sent me one of the silk white ones. Those were really cool, but this is a mirror black version. Either way, let's take a look. I actually have extremely high hopes for this phone. The performance should be top notch, as it always is with OnePlus phones. Camera should be good. They've upgraded that. The display looks fantastic. So I'm very excited to try it out. Here it is. So the OnePlus 6, quite slim. Ooh, I love the gloss. It works very well on a phone like this. That's fantastic. The central of the camera is the NFC sensor. Cool. All right, and let's power it on. Wow. Much like the iPhone X, you've got an almost full wraparound screen, although on the bottom here, you do have a little bit of a chin. It's kind of hard to show. While that's booting up, let's take a look at what comes in the box. And it's just the cable and the dash fast charger. And there it is, guys. So a very nice and vivid AMOLED display, 19:9 aspect ratio. Again, it does have that small chin area on the bottom, but holding it, you can barely notice it. It's quite sleek. I mean, really reaching down there is pretty painful on a phone this large anyways. So I do love the finish, definitely. I'd love to see one of the white versions. It also does come in midnight black and mirror black. So you can get a matte sheen and this reflective sheen. Looks really cool. Let's move around here. So this is running Android 8.1, but you can try out the Android P beta right now if you guys really wanted to. So you do get that option. I can't test it yet, but this is supposedly one of the fastest face unlock solutions ever on a smartphone, so we'll have to see about that. It does have a fingerprint sensor located very conveniently below the camera as well. And you've got your flash unit right there, so pretty compact. I'll go ahead and take the sticker off. I'm definitely looking forward to exploring it further, but there's not much I can show you in this video, just the overall design. And I gotta say, I am impressed. I definitely like it so much more than I thought I would. Now, this thing has the latest Snapdragon 845 chip inside, so you're definitely gonna feel that. And with the shortened animations that OnePlus has, I really can't wait to actually begin using this thing and comparing it speed-wise to the iPhone X. You can get between 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM depending on your region. On the back, we have a 20 and a 16 megapixel camera with a 1.7 aperture. Should do very well in the low light. And on the side here, there's a really unique volume rocker where you can go into silent mode or vibrate mode and then completely silent mode. So really nice to have 3 stages there. And this sheen, this is glass. This is Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and back. So should be quite durable stuff actually. And this thing is now water resistant as well. So we'll have to test it out in the coming days. And of course I'll have a speed test for you guys soon. But for now, there it is. That's the OnePlus 6, super neat. And I'm very excited to test it out against Apple's iPhone X soon. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.